Hey guys, quick video tonight on my Polygon Siskiyou T6. This is with the stock Dior cranks. This is the Deckas Amazon buy 32 tooth 96 BCD, the oval chainring. There's a lot of videos out there, but there's an orientation on this, and I was struggling to find orientation. So on the back side, there's nothing there. On the front side, there is a lot of the print. And if you look just very closely, there is a punch. And the punch is the indication. So the punch lines up with your crank when you line it up. So your crank will go over this punch because there is an orientation to get this correct for these oval chain rings. So I just want to post that up tonight for you guys. And again, you can notice right there where my thumb is at, there's a little circle punch. On some of these oval ones, the name brand ones, there's like a little triangle. But on this Deckas that I picked up, it's right there, it's a little punch. So that's how you can tell the orientation to get this done correctly. Hope this helps someone.